Hello and welcome to phuketpals GED Math Screencast. Today's lesson focuses on simplifying rational expression. Working with rational expression is a lot like working with fractions. In both cases, you look for like denominators and simplifying by eliminating factors. To find common denominators, you will need to know how to multiply polynomials. To simplify, you will need to know how to factor. In simplifying rational expressions, you really need to know how to factor. When you studied fractions, you learned that 3 over 9 is equals to 1/3. Why? Because 3 over 9 is equals to 3 times 1 over 3 times 3. It means the greatest common factor is 3. And by dividing 3 over 9 by the greatest common factor, the answer is 1 over 3. One way to think of this is that you cancel out the 3 because it was a factor of both the numerator and the denominator. The answer is, or the remaining, is 1 over 3. Now, thinking this way, to simplify an algebraic expression, you can cancel out any factors shared by the numerator and the denominator. Let's try this idea on simplifying rational expressions. Let's try some rational expressions. First example, simplify the expression 2x squared plus 4x over 4x squared. Okay, this type of expression, the numerator and the denominator can be both factored out using GCF. So what is the GCF of the numerator? 2. So dividing the numerator, the expression on the numerator by the GCF, or its GCF, we have x plus 2. Then factored out the denominator. Then factor out the denominator, we have 2x times x. Then by canceling out the common factors, which is 2x, we have x plus 2 over x as the simplified rational expression, as a simplified rational expression. Let's try another example. Simplify the expression x squared minus x minus 6 over x squared plus x minus 2. Look at the expression. Look at the rational expressions, the numerator and the denominator. Both of them can be factored out using factoring by reversing FOIL. So by reversing FOIL, we need to look at the number term, minus 6 for the numerator. Then let's find the pair of factors that add up to the middle term, which is minus 1. So the pair of factors are minus 3 and 2. Okay, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, which is equal to the coefficient of the middle term or the x term. So we can rewrite it in this factors: x minus 3, x plus 2 over. Okay, now the denominator. The factor of minus 2, or the pair of factors for minus 2 for the number term, which is equal, when you add up, it is equal to the coefficient of the x term. We have 2 and minus 1. Then rewrite it. We have x plus 2, x minus 1. Now, canceling the shared factors of the numerator and the denominator, x plus 2, then we have x minus 3 over x minus 1 as the answer. Let's try another example. X squared plus 4x over x plus 4 squared. Okay, factor out. Okay, the numerator can be factored out by looking for the GCF, and the GCF is x. Then we have x times x plus 4. Then let us expand the denominator, rewrite it in this way, expanding the exponent. So we have x plus 4 times x plus 4, and canceling out the factors shared by the numerator and denominator, x plus 4, then the simplified answer is x over x plus 4. It is hard to see what factors the numerator and denominator may share, but factoring the numerator may make it easier to see if there are any shared factors. That's all for this video. If you want to know more about Phuket Pals, see our Facebook page or call us on 081 417 0978. If you find this video useful, please hit the subscribe button below.